If you give this unicorn chocolate with heavy doses of glitter, she'll lay you golden nuggets. Guess he didn't want to share. Well, we can make our own fun. Make a mold and fill it with melted wax. Soon you'll have a new candle. Could use some eyes though. That unicorn's not the only one laying golden eggs. It's a baby duck. Let's add it to our collection. Wow, talk about an electric slide. But we've got something even better. A pair of toilet paper rolls. Cut a hole in some paper plates. And glue them together in a spiral. Roll it out, and you've got yourself a slide. But I think this chute needs a ladder. If you're a fan of fresh beats, this bubble recorder's the toy for you. Add some solution and hook it up. I bet this is great for pop music. Now for a little money rain. And in this corner, let's cut out some holes. And you've got a bubble glove. Perfect for practicing your wave. Guess it's time for lunch. Ooh, that's one A+ sandwich. And it's got rainbow filling. Of course, the best part's the taste. Well, if you like rainbows, we can give you rainbows in balloon form. Now take a sponge, cut it into slices with a slit for the balloons. Fold it up into a stretchy toy sandwich.
Wow!
It won't spoil, just don't eat it. What's in here? Squishy letters! Pretty soon, you won't even recognize them. In fact, you can squish up the whole thing. But with bubble wrap, you choose the colors. Add them to a paper bug and get squishing. Forget the colors? It's an easy fix. Just be careful where you aim them. A bath worthy of Scrooge McDuck. And speaking of ducks, look at these fountain ducks. And it comes with a nozzle. Well, anyway, thanks for the drink. Better yet, let's paint this bottle and turn it into a rocket ship. Now poke some holes near the end. Twist the lid and let it pour. Now let's take this rocket for a ride. I think someone wants candy, but not for eating. This stuff's for target practice. Oh, good aim. Wash it down and save the box.
Wow!
Let's cut out a mouth and place a balloon inside. A good squeeze, and he's blowing bubbles. Aw, let's wake up this monkey for some morning stretches. Press his tongue and he starts blinking. And you can even look inside him. Who wants to play on the monkey bars? Don't have a monkey? Take a balloon.
Ouch!
Twist it up and use it to make a tiny balloon. Draw a face on top. Ooh, a kitty. Make a bunch and add some soap. Soon they'll be nice and sticky.
Cool!
So sticky, you can make a bracelet.
Wow!
And each one's great for squeezing. Squeeze each one and start all over again. Ooh, a shark puppet! And it's looking pretty hungry. I think that was just the appetizer. But we can make our own hand puppet. Emphasis on hand. He's hungry too. Who knew being a puppet was such hungry work? Should be enough. Someone's getting a big kiss.
Wow!
Time to order some fries. You can eat right off the case. Careful not to spill the sauce. Probably should keep it flat. Don't worry. Cut up a paper cup, and we can have our own phone fun. Take this clay and squeeze it out into some pretend ice cream. Don't forget the toppings, like sauce, some sprinkles, and a great big cherry on top. Let's collect all this slime in our special slime hammer. Now let's start smashing. Some of these will end up flat, but others have a surprise inside. How about we take this in reverse? Take a prize and some slime and add it to a paper pocket. Now let's squeeze out all that good goo. And dig out the tiny prize inside. And when you're done, make some more. Keyboards can be a lot of fun, especially with jelly buttons. Just remember, squeeze too hard and they just might pop. Of course, they taste great too. But jellies come in all shapes and sizes. Let's add it to this Pop-It toy. Add some heat and melt them into place. squeeze out your new hamster cheeks.
Wow.
These are the types of cheeks that were made for pinching. Literally. Costume jewelry or not, you're never fully dressed without a tiara.
Wow.
Let's hope this girl likes to share her toys. Guess not. Poor baby. Be careful when begging. That doesn't lead to choosing after all. Don't get mad, honey. Get creative. Get inspired. Make something. Good idea. Straws are basically smaller versions of those tubes. But you can still stretch them out and make shapes. Cool. You can even make little loops and connect them. The expression less is more kind of comes to mind. I'd be careful. Squirrels bite when they get angry. Confetti makes a mess, but at least they're not throwing nuts. Ah, the toilet paper roll, a crafter's best friend. And if we need a squirrel, we'll just make one out of a balloon. Put your drawing skills to work. Go on, draw a face on it. I wonder where I could get a golden purse like that. Wow, you can pop the buttons in and out, twice! If you can't make something out of construction paper, it's not worth having. Of course, laminating always makes things a little better. Making that cut transforms a circle into a button. Squishies. Whether they're cute or creepy, they're just fun. But maybe toothpaste, glitter, and a balloon can be fun too. We lose a lot of good tights to these DIY crafts. When you squeeze it all big, you can't tell the difference at all. Time for another round of the color game. Well, let's see. Blue, yellow, and green.
Wow.
Oh, so it looks like she is willing to share. Wonder what they're paying her. But once again, a balloon can be just as fun, with a little gypsum. See, even the other girl's friends are interested, and so is she. Kind of reminds me of an eggshell. Quick, guess the colors. Who knew you could have so much fun with beans? Did she really need to break her bracelet? Well, we'll see. For now, she has the right amount, and everything's coming together. More squishy toys, and it's finally fun to touch a cactus. Well, at least she shared something with the other girl. And it's good to see that she has something up her sleeve. Glitter and shaving cream. Oh, this is gonna be good. And you can make it any color you want. That's cool. Okay, this girl must really be into stress balls. She's got them in rainbow and on silver platters. Well, you never know. One girl's trash is another girl's treasure. Not sure why there's a giant ball pile, but why question it? The best things in life are the just add water things. Let's hope it's tied shut, or things are gonna get messy. What on earth does our poor little rich girl have to cry about? Oh, how cute. It looks like she's making a friend. Good thing paper clips don't need to breathe. Well, it looks like we have time to make one more toy. Making something by cutting it apart is just beautiful. Collect a few straws, and you can make a whole bunch of them. At least this girl knows how to share. Awesome stuff as usual. Thanks for checking us out, and catch you next time.
Well, creative geniuses do create a little bit of mess sometimes. An ice cream. But looks like she's got more impatient customers. What is she going to do? Ice cream slimy kit? Learn to make the fluffiest slime ever in all of your favorite ice cream colors and scents. I like the sound of that. Wow, so stretchy! Follow our step-by-step recipes for making lots of different fluffy slimes, and don't forget to have fun! Ice Cream Slimy Kit. Buy from your local Walmart store or grab yours from the link in the description now.